Is this your song, Kiani? Yeah. I love this song. Sing a little. Sing a little. I didn't know they said something about a blood clot. I don't know. Tara can't park.
Tara can't park to save her life, but she's working it out tonight.
I want to see you. This is Prue at work. Yeah. That's Prue at work. Woo! Oh my God! Bring it back! You got my seconds.
Oh, okay, it doesn't.
What the fuck is that? What is that?
Really though? Really though?
Oh my God!
Are you still recording that? I'm not gonna cry. Don't record me, I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry, not on camera.
I don't listen to the lyrics.
She's like, she ain't
Guys,
Can you take this out, please?
What are you guys
we don't know. Wait. How you?
Okay, so we not retarded.
I don't know what the second chance.
We gotta document our stupid moments.
Like,
Hey,
you got push it or twist it? Or...
Oh, so
Okay, you clicked it.
Tara, call Derek and ask him what he did.
excuse me. What you guys about to do then?
Go to a party, probably.
You got to be smoking?
No. No, not really.
Look, you have to record that shit. I got video flip too. Hey, you guys got Facebook? Yeah.
Who doesn't?
Nah.
Just in front of
He really
you?
think like.
Yeah.
Can you believe they...
Is Shelby taking us home?
Hey, can you tell these ladies
Shelby's
they
leaving?
honk twice? That means something.
So then get in the car.
That
They
means
honked
something.
at us twice.
I
They
them
did
one
ask
honk
her.
is 30 minutes, two honk is an hour. So I don't know what they want.
Okay.
45 minutes. We'll
How,
catch you
hey,
guys
how
a
old are you
deal.
guys?
Too young for you. Can I?
How do you know how old I am?
That don't matter. Shelby.
One video. Alright, so this is for Genesis.
I got you.
Look,
I got you. I know I got you. I
break
got
your
you.
phone, nigga. So this is Genesis.
We got you.
And we know her. Where's your friends at though?
They're parking.
Why?
How are you guys going?
You had a perfect parking spot.
No, you're in the red.
So what?
You were in the red.
Nobody care. Look at the guy with
She has a fucking Colgate smile, my nigga. Look at that shit.
My sandal broke. Fuck my life.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Okay, we're having a discussion. My ex-girlfriend got like a sleeve, right?
Uh-huh.
And I have no problem with it, but all my buddies, not these guys, they have a problem. What do you guys think about it?
I don't like it.
You like it?
No.
I know a lot
Too
of
much,
girls
huh?
with sleeves.
It's too much.
Something like sexy and like cover
Simple.
Perfect. What are
Something that you can cover
What
up.
the fuck I said? And I got dumped. What the fuck? Where you guys going? Where's home?
Long Beach.
Long Beach.
Hey, we're not done yet. We're going out. Let's go
We're
out.
going to Long Beach.
Gotta go home.
Tomorrow night. Fuck it. We're going to Vegas next weekend. Let's go.
We're there.
I'm down.
No, I'm being
Seriously.
serious. Take my number down. Take my number down. I'm being dead serious. Don't fuck around.
Yo, Roshan.
Here, Palm Beach.
What's your name?
My name is Geraldo.
Geraldo.
Don't make fun of me.
Genesis. Kiani.
Yes, come here.
Yes.
Hey, we're going to Vegas. I'm being dead serious. No, don't fucking.
We'll text you tomorrow.
No, text you right now.
We'll all text.
Right now.
We'll all text
text you.
This is Phillies.